Good day, everybody. Welcome back to another video on our favorite place to be on a Saturday morning at Simonde's Veggies. So today we are going to be harvesting our potato plant. I asked people, some advices that I got from TikTok. Also, I posted a video on YouTube Shorts where I was asking that, okay, now how do we go about harvesting this guy? And there were people that said, after the leaves die, then you can harvest. And then there are some that say, no, wait for the whole plant to die off. Okay, I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna harvest this one, and I got somewhere that side there, I got other potatoes growing, and I'm gonna leave those ones maybe to wilt and die off. But here today Rona, we are going to be digging inside here and investigating and checking what on earth is going on in here. And when I put my hands in here, I can actually feel that it's something growing here. But I guess that you'll see as I will be digging. Here we go. Make sure that I'm not hitting my drip pipe here. And I'm just gonna, as far away from any roots, just gonna pop it. This is where we are now. Not bad, is it? Not bad at all. Sorry about that camera. Just decided to fall on us. But this is our potato. These are our potatoes. Well, not the biggest. So after 3 months of waiting, this is the results we got. Well, I must say it's not bad. Well, this is our biggest one. This one. It's our biggest potato, and you can see that something was starting to eat on this poor thing. I don't know if you can see that something was starting to eat on it. It's our biggest one. I'm impressed with our harvest. Not the best though, but there's our harvest there, which came out from there. That is what it is. And let me just take you through our spinach here. We planted this spinach on the 9th of September, and this is how they look now, almost a month after transplanting. Not really happy with how everything is looking like now, especially here, a lot of empty spaces. I don't like that. You can see that there's not really, no one will be happy with such an uneven growth. But so cover crops also have some disadvantages, I guess. Anyway, let's also harvest an onion. I'm also told that you wait for it to die off, and it's long overdue here. These onions are long overdue. So let's see how they look like. Not bad, eh? Not bad. Look at it. Not bad at all. They are long overdue. So harvest them. Beautiful. The last one there. Yeah, and that's our onions. So this is beautiful onions. Muy. So this is today's harvest. Onions, potatoes, just enough for a family of 4. We'll be happy. From us, once again, we'd like to say thank you so much for your support. Our channel, indeed, without a shadow of doubt, it's growing. We are going somewhere, and it's all because of you, because of your subscriptions, your comments. We do like it, and we hope to share more knowledge and more passion of gardening with you. Until the next video, God bless you.